Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily identify potential scams on Temu. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, always check the seller's review and ratings before making a purchase. If a seller has very few reviews or mostly negative feedback, that's a red flag. Next, be cautious of deals that seem too good to be true. Extra low prices or suspicious discounts could be a sign of a scam or very low quality. Another tip is to verify the product details. Compare descriptions, images, and specifications with similar products from reputable sellers. If anything seems off or mismatched, it's best to double-check before buying. Also pay attention to the payment methods. Using secure payment options can help protect you from fraud. Finally, stay updated by checking Temu's official announcements and user forums for any reported scams or issues. Being informed is key to keeping your shopping experience safe. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.